You have a concept that is called tzaddik, righteous, and you have the opposite of tzaddik. The Torah is calling them tzedukim. Who are the tzedukim? Tzedukim were people that were not righteous, but they were trying to show the world that they are righteous. All the time they were justifying themselves. Tzdukim. He's saying, Ani tzodek, I'm right. All the time justifying himself. Yes, my method is the right method. My shita is the right shita. You must follow me. You need to do what I say. I am a righteous man. I'm doing the holiest job. I'm this, I'm that. All day long justifying themselves. Why are they doing it? Because they're not really there. And they don't want to go deep and to admit their lackings and to do tshuva and to atone for their mistakes and to apologize to all the people that they hurt and to pay back all the debts from all the people that they took things in force and in power, and to admit that they abused people, that they hurt people. So they don't want to deal with that. So instead of that, they're going and attacking everyone and trying to slaughter everyone. But the one who sits in heavens, the one who sits in the sky, sitting and laughing, he sees the joke of those clowns.
שום דבר כבר לא יעצור אותי מלהגיע